Hey, lovebirds! Sleep well?
Huh? What's with the hairdo?
Lyoko style. It's pretty trendy, huh? Meow!
You always eat that much?
No, I'm not that hungry today, in fact. Has anyone seen Jeremy?
He was up all night in his room working on Lioko after he put the computer back together.
Man, that guy's a real Einstein.
Who's Einstein?
Unfortunately, you're not like Otter Ulrich. You can't be devirtualized when you lose all of your life points.
Too bad. At least now I know how to change sectors.
Yes, and I also found out what the towers are for. They're portals between the real world and the virtual world, and when they're red, it means they're activated.
Are you sure?
Just about. And they may be the way to materialize you on Earth. Unbelievable, huh? I can't wait to tell the others about it.
You want us to go back to Lioko to get Maya into a red tower?
Like I said, I'm sure that's the only way to bring her into the real world. Pretty wild, huh?
Pretty dangerous, you mean? We could have all been wiped out for good last night.
Odd's right. We're better off shutting down the supercomputer. Too bad for Maya, but still, it's not like she's human.
But she's still a sort of intelligent being. She's got emotions like we do.
You see, I told you he's madly in love with the computer program.
Come on, guys, be cool. I'm just asking you to go there one last time.
We can't even make it past the monsters. We'll probably get ourselves blown away in a heartbeat.
If only there were at least 3 of us, but Sissy's too scared.
What? No, I'm not. I really do want to go with you guys to Lioko, but when cheerleading practice is over.
Thanks, Sissy. So here's the scoop. As soon as Maya is materialized into the real world, I give you my word that I'll shut down the supercomputer. Meanwhile, we gotta keep this a secret.
Promise.
I swear.
Ditto. I can't wait to see what I look like on Lioko.
Me too. With some luck, I won't be the dumbest looking one in the group.
Ulrich, where are you going? Aren't you coming to see my cheerleading routine?
No, I got something important to take care of.
Huh.
Back for another thrashing?
I don't like ending on a bad note.
That's good. I like a challenge.
You're gonna get one.
I thought Sissy was a real babe, but the more I get to know her, the more I realize she's how can I put this tactfully?
Turkey?
Exactly.
A cheerleader cheers so her team won't lose. We've got short skirts and sparkly shoes. We're just so gorgeous. How can you choose? There's no doubt we've got clout. Winning at Kada is what it's all about. Kada!
Oh! Ouch! Sorry, sissy. Cheerleading is not about being a boomerang juggling baboon.
Have you been training for long?
Yeah, my parents think it's weird.
Not me. By the way, I'm Ulrich. You're Yuri, right?
It's Yumi.
while he's at it. Hey, you two dumb dorks. Were you planning on following me around all day?
Yeah.
We're your biggest admirers in the whole school. We even started a fan club called Friends of Sissy.
Oh, and about how many of you are in the club?
Well, 2 of us.
Right. Then come back and talk to me when there's at least 50 of you. Meanwhile, if you don't stay away from me, my father's gonna find out that you two clowns tried to break into my room.
She's even more beautiful when she's angry, isn't she?
A couple of days ago, I dug up a brand new program on the supercomputer called Return to the Past, and I just figured out how to activate it.
That's great, Einstein, but could you give me a hand with my electrochemistry report?
Hey, Odd, are you planning on calling me Einstein forever?
Why not? So what about my report?
Well, why don't you say that electrochemistry is a science that deals with the relationship between electricity and chemistry. Then you say that electrochemistry involves opposing polar systems composed at its 2 extremes of electrically conductive material.
What? You mean all I have to do is say that?
Well, no, of course not. You have to give examples.
Sissy, Jim was taking her to the infirmary.
What'd she do? Pull a muscle in her brain trying to add 2 plus 2?
No, man, she got electrocuted.
Jeremy? Are you there? Answer me.
Call it a tie? Okay. Anyway, I gotta go. My friends are gonna start wondering where I am. Same for you.
I don't have any friends.
Wow! What is that thing? No time to explain. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Quick!
You're the one who brought Elizabeth here. What happened?
She was in her room and she was attacked by this electricity monster that jumped from a coat hanger.
Would you try to be serious, Polyakov? You're the one who's going to get a shock in a moment.
It was as if that electrical thing was alive. What is going on?
Yeah, Jeremy?
Ulrich? Great. I really need you. Sissy just got electrocuted by some sort of giant...
Electric thing?
Huh? Yeah. How did you know?
That same electric thing attacked me in the gymnasium. This is getting more and more dangerous. You and your supercomputer.
All the more reason to materialize Maya ASAP. We have to get to Lyoko and bring her to the Red Tower. If it works, we can shut the computer down tonight. We'll meet you in the sewer.
Sorry, Yumi, but I've gotta go.
Hang on. You seem to know what's going on here. What was this electrical thing that attacked us? And what is this supercomputer you're talking about?
Look, I don't have time to explain.
Okay. You have time for a 3rd round then?
You're as stubborn as a mule, aren't you?
That's right. And since I have no friends, I have lots of time.
Oh, come on, I'll explain on the way. Hey, who's that girl? This is Yumi. She was there when I was attacked, and she knows how to fight, so I thought...
Okay, later. Right now, we have to get to the factory. Let's go!
Don't tell me you're scared. So who's this Maya?
You're going to be meeting her in just a minute. Go straight to the scanner room and get ready for the big plunge.
Big plunge? But I don't have a bathing suit.
Relax, you won't be needing one.
Maya, can you hear me? Maya?
Jeremy, I'm being chased by monsters.
Why did you leave the tower before we got there? Are you crazy?
I heard some strange pulsations. I wanted to see what they were.
Okay, I'm sending you backup. For now, just try and hide somewhere.
This story of yours is pure science fiction.
Yeah, except that it's for real.
You guys ready? I'm starting up the procedure. Transfer, odd. Transfer, Lori.
Don't tell me you're scared.
Wait, I'm coming too.
Okay. Transfer, Yumi. Scanner, Yumi. Scanner, odd. Scanner, Ulrich. Virtualization.
Bummer! I'm still a big purple cat.
Ouch! Oh.
Wow, that Japanese outfit is pretty sharp. It's not fair. I'm the only one who looks like a nitwit on Lyoko.
Mind telling me where we are?
In a virtual world. Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
Move it. Maya needs you. She's in danger.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, my head. What happened?
You'll be fine, my dear. You must have electrocuted yourself with your hairdryer.
Oh no, it wasn't me. It was that super whatchamacallit of Jeremy's at the factory. Where's Ulrich?
I don't know, dear. Please try to stay calm.
No, Ulrich is in great danger. So are Odd and Jeremy. There's an electrical monster on the loose. We gotta find him.
Calm down.
Sure there is, and a giant chemical teddy bear, too.
Daddy, I'm not crazy. Jeremy Belpaw found this gigantic computer inside the abandoned factory. They use it to go into this other world where these monsters shoot lightning.
Are you Maya? I'm Odd. I have to admit, you are a real cutie. Jeremy's got taste.
No time for flirting, Odd. We got work to do.
You're right.
Hey, I don't have a weapon. A fan, that's all?
Try throwing it at them. You never know.
Not bad.
Well, I think I'll keep it.
Nice work. Now bring Maya into the red tower so we can materialize her.
Come now, Sissy, this is ridiculous. We are not going down into the sewers.
Fine. You can tell that to the police when you find Belpois and the others burnt to a crisp.
Hey, Odd, I think I've got a good life-size example for your electrochemistry report.
Oh, yeah? And what's that?
A nice little electric monster. Where are you guys?
We're coming up to the tower.
Hurry it up then. Things are about to start jumping over here. Watch it, guys. There are some more monsters coming your way.
Great crabs! Who's got the tartar sauce? The tide is coming in! Yeah! Oh, these guys are not only ugly, they're tough. Wow!
Jeremy.
Just got devirtualized. Jeremy?
Want to give it a try? Maya, get back to the red tower!
Was it you who just did that?
Yes, I think so.
Run to the tower, hurry!
Okay.
Jeremy, it's okay. Maya is...
What is all this about? Oh, wait till I get my head go.
What's going on here? What were those flashes?
Sissy,
Ulrich! Oh!
you swore to us you wouldn't tell.
Huh? I came here to save you, Ulrich! And what's this Chinese girl doing here, huh?
I am Japanese.
What about Maya? Is she here?
No, sorry, Jeremy, but it didn't work. She didn't materialize.
All right, that's enough, Belpois. I order you to shut this thing down now, and then you can explain to me exactly what this is about.
I think we ought to alert the authorities right away.
Me too, Jim. It's much too dangerous. I told you so, didn't I?
You're nothing but a rotten traitor.
No more than you are, Ulrich, darling. Huh.
Let's go, Belpois. Kill this thing immediately and follow me.
No.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm launching a new program. With a little luck, it'll work.
What kind of program?
Return to the past now!
What happened anyway? What are we doing here?
But we were doing this yesterday. You don't think...
Einstein, you're a genius. Your return to the past, it works.
What's that? What are you talking about?
You haven't forgotten about the supercomputer and Lyoko and my big purple cat costume, huh?
You know all about Lioko? But how come?
That's weird. It looks like the return in time didn't quite work on him.
Come on, we're gonna fill you in.
But why would I not remember anything?
Maybe because you were the only one who didn't get digitalized on Lyoko.
Yes, that could be. Well, tomorrow I'm going to the factory first thing and scan myself. No, Jeremy. We have to shut down the supercomputer and you know it. It's too dangerous. But, Maya, Aelita. When I went into the tower, I remembered my name. Aelita. That's even better than Maya. But what about bringing you in? I promised. Give me one more night to work it out, okay? I'll find a way.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
We'll meet up in the computer lab tomorrow morning to see how you're doing.
Ulrich! What are you doing there? I've been waiting for you for an hour. I've never been stood up like this before.
There's always a first time. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm with my friends.
I'll make you pay. Did you hear that, huh, Ulrich?
I've got a bad feeling about this girl, Sissy. I get the idea that she's gonna give us a lot of grief.
Hi. Well, find anything?
Yes. Xana.
Santa? What's that?
A super dangerous program. Like a virus which can control electricity and that activates towers on Lyoko to gain access to your world.
So the red tower, the electricity monster, the weird symbol, the monsters on Lyoko, all of that was Xana?
Yes. Only Aelita can counter it by deactivating the tower that it uses for attacks in the real world.
That's great. And what about materializing Aelita?
I could do it, but I need some time. It's dangerous. Xana can attack at any moment. Be reasonable, Jeremy. We'd better just shut this thing down.
Listen, now that we know how to neutralize Xana, we just have to get Aelita to the activated tower.
We can find a way to counter the attacks while Einstein figures out how to bring Aelita back to Earth, right?
It's risky, but I think we should. After all, we are Lyoko warriors, aren't we?
Yeah!
You really think you can do it? They don't call me Einstein for nothing. In a few weeks, I'll have it figured out. Meanwhile, let's not forget about our pact, huh?
Hey, relax. We all know how to keep a secret.